I have a constantly running remote device. It's a MacBook Air from my Zero to Hermes Agent series, which you can also see on my YouTube. I want something to clip from my live stream. So like take the past 5 minutes of my live stream and turn it into a clip that I can use. The system's not doing too well, I feel. Load, very high load, yeah. 110 GPU FFmpeg, another CPU, 94%. We're at full MacBook Air pressure right now. Pause live clipper FFmpeg rendering. Have it do transcribe. Oh yeah, I changed the live clipper to do transcription only because it was getting too intensive. Now machine is no longer getting hammered by a rendering FFmpeg. This one is specifically for getting clips. Wow, look, we already have a clip here. See everything we've just said. Okay, so we have 3 clip ideas here already generated. The funny part is the agent didn't come up with the important architecture first. I realized, wait, I already have Restream. So I can just earn Hermes as a private RMTP. This is one of the moments where AI is powerful, but the human context still matters. The agent can write this clipper, but it didn't know my whole streaming setup. I had to notice I already have Restream. So how is Hermes watching my live stream? And so Hermes is running on my dedicated MacBook Air device. And on that device, I've actually set up an RMTP server. So my server, which is the MacBook Air, is constantly recording that custom RMTP. And how it's knowing what's going on, it actually doesn't do any vision at the moment. It's all through transcript. So it transcribes everything that's going on. And that's how we get this recap. And then that's how I also get the clips. I streamed from OBS. There's a live clipper that constantly chunks everything it ingests. It transcribes everything and makes candidates for clips. I removed the clip. It used to actually make the videos, but I told it to just keep it transcript based. So yeah, you can see like the exact rolling transcript of this whole stream right here. And it should be able to find all the transcripts and then like arrange that so we can make a clip. It should be able to, remove all the middle bit, combine the bits where I actually do talk about the same topic. That's the whole plan. That's why, like, especially with LLMs, transcript-based editing is really powerful. And imagine not only getting clips, but something else I want to do is I could probably create a new plugin and have that as an overlay in OBS. Timestamps, like rewind 5 minutes and you'll see this. Rewind 10 minutes and you'll see this. Dude, how cool would that be? I want you to create a new plugin that I can use as an OBS overlay from the Hermes dashboard and just show only a really minimal but still styled nicely overlay of what happened 5 minutes ago, what happened 10 minutes ago, and any other highlights that we want to persist. So maybe at most 4 items, big text, less than 7 words per plus overlay system architecture. So here's me. I'm streaming on OBS right now. See on the bottom right here, I have a recap that's probably outlined a bit better here. Yeah, the overlay dashboard OBS recap. This kind of takes the transcription from the last chunk and makes an item in the recap. So you can see here a minute ago, we were restarting the gateway for Hermes Mobile. 5 minutes ago, Hermes set up a real-time voice limitation. And 30 minutes ago, talking about configuring mission control. Yeah, it's also transcribing every chunk, updates the overlay, which we can see in the bottom right. Boom. Now you can know what's been happening. Loading authenticated video. Oh, it worked. All right, this is our latest clip. View clips. Wow, there's a lot of clips. This is the one we were just talking about. It did get auto clip. So I did about 5 minutes of manual editing to get a vertical and add captions. I aim to automate that later, but we did ship the video on Instagram and all other platforms